everyone. So I'm just doing a little bit more on my little mini Halloween journal, and I just thought I'd show you, nothing very exciting here to show, but I just thought it might be quite fun to see these that I'm going to play with in here. I've already shown them briefly on a previous video where I'm making a masterboard, but I'm actually going to use some of these in the little journal. So I got these little Halloween stamps, and just thought it might be quite fun to just use a few in my little book. I've done a few bits of stenciling and stuff already, so I thought maybe we'll put something like a little spider web down here in the corner. Just see how it comes out. What I am doing at the moment with this is I'm just testing them on a little bit of paper first, because some of them come out really well, some of them not so well. So let's see how that looks. Can't really see it on that background, can you? Let's try going up the page a bit. Yeah, it's not really showing very much. Let's try it on a slightly different coloured page where it's a little bit clearer. Let's try you. You're nice and white. Yeah, see, that's quite cool. Let's balance it up and put one up here. Cool. They're only really, really cheap, so I'm not expecting them to be perfect by any stretch of the imagination. I just thought they'd be quite fun. Let's put a little bat up here. See, they're ready inked, and I just think some of them are more ready inked than others. Also, it's hard because the pages are not really on a very flat surface. Probably better to stamp on a flat surface, really. So you could put something hard underneath there to do that. Just try and stamp away on him again. Give him a bit more oomph. There we go. So we've got little bats. This is a purple cat, I think. Yeah. Let's just try. Try it on, let's go back here. Let's try it on this grey page. This is blueberry dye, this page. Right, I'm going to try and put something. What have I got that's hard? I need like a book or a box or something. I don't really think I've got anything that's particularly tough. So try it on, put it on this old diary. Let's just see. Let's see what happens. Okay. Yeah, see, even then it doesn't really come out very well. It's like I say, these were really, really cheap. And what I did discover though is that you can put some ink if you have the same coloured ink, or I don't even think it would matter, you could put black on there, but you need to clean off the rim because they don't stay up. They're not very they're not raised up very high, so you can end up with a circle all around it, a bit like that. But that look works a bit better if you use ink on it. So it's quite cool. So I like them. They're fun. try a red witch's hat. Let's see. Not too bad. Not too bad, not too bad. Not too bad. Put another one there. Make a little semicircle. They are fun. But they're not brilliant in terms of being able to stamp a lot with them. So they're just a bit weak, I would say. But they're quite fun. Somebody could just write over the top of those anyway. They're not so dark that you can't write on them. So let's try pumpkin. Pumpkin's quite cool. Let's put some pumpkins. To be careful you get them the right way up. Down here. Yeah, pumpkin's quite cool. And let's just try, last but not least, the bats. Let's try some bats. Yeah, okay. Let's put bats. Just dot them about all over the place. I might have to stick a sticker over that. That was a bit of a disaster. Let's try the bats again here. Yeah, they're cool. They're definitely fun. But I think we would definitely need to put something over some of that to tidy it up. But yeah, I'm going to have a little play with those and see what other things I can do with those. They're all right, I think. They're not brilliant as stamps go. But like I say, they were cheap as chips, so not to worry too much about them being top quality. I got them from the range. I also got from the range these, which is some good fun washi tapes. So maybe where those stamps didn't quite come out, we'll be covering those up with a little bit of fun washi tape. Anyway, that's where we're up to with the little book. It's coming along. It's got all sorts going on in there. It's starting to come together. Yeah, so it's looking good. It's looking good. I want to put some black lace on it. I want to put some black lace on the edges of the pages. Got quite a few bits and bobs that I still want to do with that. So we're getting there. Moving forward. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you all soon.